Grace and I are currently on the street watch in Shoreditch, and we've come across this place where there is all these locks. The locks have got people's names on them, and they have codes on them. Like some of the locks have got codings that cannot be removed. Like for example this one. And we're just praying right now freedom on this 33rd day. We speak the fullness of the resurrection power and the anointing to break yokes. We're decreeing and declaring the Isaiah 61 anointing. Yeah, they're carrying on. It's just carrying on and carrying on. Isaiah 61 anointing. The Spirit of the Lord is upon us, for He has anointed us to preach good news, to bind up the brokenhearted, to